Yep, I got this. My armpit itch, but I'm trying to scratch it with my foot.
Hold on. Hold on. Stop.
Who's assigned the prison job?
Yeah, who assigned this prison job? I already forgot the story to this story.
Lance Brenner.
Lance?
Family.
This guy is the fake Lance. I'm the real Lance.
And that's
Can you
the end.
tell?
Looks like you got two lives going at once. Family man. And the
Oh,
kids gonna
are we
be
using the
close.
family tactic?
It's pricey.
I mean, didn't your greatest enemy use the same tactic as well
And there's also
against you and you hated it?
roasted
Don't go
grouse,
to the dark
a
side,
lot of money.
Aiden.
Hey,
Hey, hey, hey.
do you know Ray is tied to a whole bunch of cold cases?
Oh, I don't think he likes the sound of that. Wait a second, is he trying to reach for the gun in front of me? Excuse me, I think you are underestimating something.
Cut you in.
Wasting my time.
All right, all right. Prison job. It's Angelo Tucci. He's running a convoy. It's too late. You never play.
Who says I want him? Maybe you've got a family in town.
Why do you want us? What the fuck is
Oh,
wrong with
there's my alarm. Oops, sorry.
I wouldn't know where to begin.
Do I sound badass or what? Or evil? Come on, swim. Oh, I'm gonna get away with. Uh-oh. Go submerge. Go under the water. What the fuck? Aiden, go underwater, you son of a bit. For Christ's sakes, this guy. How is this guy even able to survive with it? Ah. All right. I'm sorry, but I need that car. I have to kill you for it. Ooh, it's orange too. A fitting color for the fancy sports car. Oh shit. Very hard to control, but no problem. I masked. Oh, damn it, stupid van. Who set that van there? Fuck you. Oh shit. A Hyundai Sonata? Huh? Get off the road, you cunts. Oh, shout out. Better take this alleyway. Damn it. Huge mistake. Ah, alright. I didn't ask for this. This phone's gone haywire. Alright, this gotta work. Ah, sweet. I think I have eluded them. Nope. Nope, you're not hitting shit. Yeah! Fly, you motherfucker. That's what I call a car, if it can fly. Oh, sweet, a new one. It must be fate. You'll be my new partner. Come on, get in here, you lime-colored Lamborghini. Oh yeah, wow, I love the mileage on this thing. So sweet. You ain't grabbing shit. Holy crap. Those two wooden sticks can halt 3 motor vehicles. That is ideal. Alright. Damn it, I gotta lose this fucking laser. Get the fuck away from me, you ass cake. Who put that tree there? No one. Oh, goodness. I think our enemy has mastered the art of space travel. Just planted a tree over there in 20 years ago and stopped me today. Alright. Come on. Oh yeah, I know where this is going. Sky high, motherfucker, yeah! Oh, that didn't went too well. Alright. Better remain hidden. Like a ninja.
Find him. Let it go.
Yes! Eat the dick. Eat the dick. You cannot find me. I am incognito. Oh, and some Elvis Presley to celebrate my victorious moment. Those hackers can go bite me in the ear, and I'll respond with a little scratch attack.
Bad history there.
Fuck these guys. Alright, I'm end it right here. Good day. Thanks for watching.